Welcome to Flavor Notes. Today we make fried modaks. Let's start with the recipe. For the outer cover, I have taken 1 tablespoon of ghee, 1 cup of rava, that is suji, and I'll be using warm milk to knead the dough as required. Also, the suji should be the barik rava that we use, or if you do not have, you can even grind the suji that you have. We'll mix the suji and ghee nicely so that it holds a shape. And now adding little milk at a time, we'll knead the dough. This dough should be kneaded soft. I'm also adding a pinch of salt. You can also make this dough a day before you want to make modaks, and then you can refrigerate it. I have used 6 tablespoons of milk to knead this dough. You can see the dough is quite soft. Let this rest for about half an hour. Meanwhile, we make the modak filling. For filling, I have taken coconut. I have removed the skin. I have taken 1.5 cup of coconut, to which I will be adding 3/4 cup of jaggery, half a teaspoon of elaichi powder and a tablespoon of poppy seeds, that's khaskhas. I will first grind the coconut. You can also grate it if you want. It is nicely grinded. We'll start making the modak filling. In kadai, firstly we'll add khaskhas. Dry roast this for about a minute on low flame. Once it is roasted, keep it aside, and in the same kadai, we'll add a tablespoon of ghee. Add the grinded coconut, and I will just coat this coconut with the ghee for about 30 to 40 seconds, and then we'll add the jaggery. And now we'll cook this till the jaggery completely melts. This will take about 5 to 7 minutes. The mixture is now ready. We'll switch off the flame. Add khaskhas and elaichi powder. Give it a mix, and we'll remove this and keep it aside and let this cool down completely before we start making modaks. The mixture is cooled down. Just knead the dough once. You can see the dough is still soft. We'll make small balls out of it, and using dry wheat atta, I will start rolling. Use very little wheat atta. If you add too much of wheat atta to this, it will be difficult to pinch in the sides while shaping the modak. I am adding about 1.5 teaspoons of the filling, and just start pinching in the sides. I am making 7 pinches. Ideally, while making modak, one should do 5, 7, 11 and 21 pinches, and then shape the modak. So this modak is ready, and similarly I will make the rest. Make these 5 to 7 at a time and fry immediately. Do not keep this for too long. It may release moisture. Add the modaks to a medium hot oil. The oil should not be too hot, and fry this till about it is light golden brown. modaks are ready, we'll fry the remaining modaks as well. You can store these modaks at room temperature for about 2 to 3 days. Hope you like this recipe. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching the video and always cook with love.